So we're going to pair a iPhone with our Jaguar F-PACE. First we want to do is start the car up, and while the car is warming up, what we want to do is we want to get into open our iPhone, and then go into our settings, and then make sure our Bluetooth is turned on. That's going to be under Bluetooth. Make sure that's turned on, and then we want to tap connect to our phone, and then as soon as we did that, it popped up down here. We're going to tap that, and now it's showing the request over here. Tap the one on the car first. Don't hit this one first. Hit this one, say yes. Then hit pair here and say allow all your contacts, and then come into here, hit this little circle, show notifications, make sure that's turned on, and that'll show all your text notifications. And that's all we have to do here. So now it's automatically connected. I can go ahead and put my phone off, put that to the side, and now we can go into our phone here, and it's going to show your audio, your phone, and then make this your primary phone. And then we want to go back into phone here, and now you can see we have our recent calls that are on our phone, our contacts, it defaults to the keypad, any messages, and some options. But while we're in here, we want to go ahead and hit this gear, and now it's going to bring up our phone settings, and we go to settings for all phones, and you can click the sort order. I like the first name. You could do last name, so they're all in alphabetical order by last name. I like first name, so I can just go through my list of all my friends. Messaging, make sure your messaging is on. That's how you can get your text messages. Message tones is on, so it'll give you a little ding. And then the alert is a pop-up. There's one more tab here that you don't see because it's an iPhone, and it's canned responses, meaning if someone sends you a text, you can have a set of responses that you can automatically reply back to. iPhone unfortunately doesn't do that until we get Apple CarPlay, but the Android phones will do that, and we'll go ahead and I'll do another video on setting up an Android phone. You'll see, if you watch that video, you'll see the responses. So this is all set up for text. You go back in here, and if you want to look at, like, here's some of my recent calls, different recent calls that are in here, my contacts that are in here. So I go through all my contacts. If you have a picture in here of somebody, they're going to show up on the side over here when you're talking to them. So you can go in there, and there'll be their picture, and when you hit this, it'll be a large picture. The keypad, which we just saw, so if you want to dial a number directly. Messages, I don't have any messages. If someone sends me a message, it'll pop up there. And then any options, if I want to call my voicemail. iPhones, voicemail's on your phone. You don't have to mess with that. If I have more than one phone, I want to change from one phone to another. If I want to turn on auto reject is just when I'm driving. If I hit that, if somebody calls me, it'll go right to voicemail. So it's that easy. And then to actually use it, you can go in here from home, just tap this, and you can either go into your contacts and call something, go into recents, like here's time check, so I can hit this, and it's going to dial, and this is just to check the local time, and it basically just lets me know what time it is. Just kind of show you. So we're in a call, so I can hang up, and once it connects, now it's connected. It tells you it's in a call, how long you've been in the call, if you want to mute the call, if I want to hang up. And even if I went back to something else, on the screen it's showing you that you're in the call. Who you're talking to.
At the tone, 1 hour, 43 minutes, coordinated universal time.
So now the time changed. Go into the call, I just hang up, have the call. It's that easy. So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments. As always, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and all that other fun stuff they see. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.